Get noticed in this 2000 Holden Commodore. You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.